Hi guys, welcome to honest, straightforward reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Guys, today we're looking at the Bose Soundsport 3. Let's get into the pros. Good sound, good balance on everything, even on bass. I really like that. It's got a secure fit, doesn't fall out. Sturdy build, doesn't look like it's going to break anytime soon. Even the case is very strong. Decent battery life on all fronts, with the case and without. Water resist. Cons. The earplugs are not comfortable at all. The material is hard and anything over 30 minutes usage, it's painful. Large case and they stick out quite a bit. Feels weird and the looks aren't for me. Noise isolation is awful and you have to turn it all the way up just to drown out the ambient noise around you. Quite expensive as well. Verdict time. With the software update and the price drop, it might seem like a good competitor. I mean, the sounds are heaps better than most, fits in well into your ear without falling out, but I'm not sold on them because of two reasons. One, they aren't comfortable to wear over a long period. Second, noise isolation is really bad. Okay, that's basically it. Please do watch till the end and I'll leave you guys with the unpacking. Thanks. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.